Hello and welcome back. It's a beautiful day in Tucson. It's raining outside. It's pretty rare. We are living in the desert. Anyway, so if you're just joining me, my name's Hoon. My channel is mostly about making coffee using Barista Express and some roasting tips and some product review. But today, I got this Mazzer Mini from eBay a couple weeks ago. I mean, if you guys watched my last videos I did, and so this one finally done. So as you can see on my kitchen counter, it sits right there by the corner, but it's really bulky. Anyway, I hope it's gonna work out. Anyway, so today we are going to dial it in. You know what? I never done it before, so I'm very excited to set up the grinder here. Anyway, so let's get going. Okay, so as you can see, so the key to dialed in the setup to this grinder, obviously this is clockwise is getting coarser, and the counterclockwise get finer. So I did all the way to the finer setting. So this is the end. So this is when the two burrs are meet, start making noise. So I marked it, as you can see right there, permanent marker. So this is my 0 point. So I've been watching other videos. They say if this is clock, go 10 minutes. So 10 minutes increments. So it's about right here. So that's the I'm going to start with this point. And then let's see, let's put some beans in and see what happens. By the way, this thing is really loud. Yep. Like that. Here we go. So let's see it. You know what? This is really fine. So I'm going to using these beans, these ground beans. I'm going to make a first shot. Make sure I'm getting 9 grams. So I'm gonna use the 16, 14 gram. You know what? Since I have this much, I'm just gonna go ahead and use 18 gram. $16. 17, 18.3. Okay, here we go. I'm actually very excited about using this. Just gonna warm up the cup here. My dosing funnel. So this is my 18 gram of here's my little bit tools here. I'm going to gently temp. So what I'm going to do is I'm hoping we are going to get a shot. So this machine set for 2 ounces. So I'm going to get a 2 ounce of espresso between 25 and 30 seconds. So do my timer. And I'm going to Just make sure we have everything is lined up. You guys can see it. So I'm going to hit the timer when I got first drop of espresso. Okay, as you can see, this is way too fast. About 14 seconds. Yeah, 2.3 ounce. So okay, so this is fail, but it's okay because we know we have to make finer. So on this setting here, it was 10 minutes. For this time, I'm going to maybe click little bit, maybe like 7 or 8 minutes. But meantime, I have to purge out whatever beans in there. So okay. Let's put some more beans in. I'm gonna try again. Seems more finer. 16 gram. Okay, this is, you know what? I don't like this doser model. This is not easy to use. Especially, I only make 2 cups a day anyway, so this is not a efficient way to go. Okay. So we make a little finer than earlier. This is really handy tool, by the way. Really handy. Okay. So we need to reset the shot glass. And okay. Set, go. Okay, it's much better this time. We're up to 13, 15, 16, 17, 19, 22 seconds. And then we get 2 ounces. So this, you know what, I think I take it. Okay, so we got this beautiful shot. Smells great. So let's taste this. I'm going to make sure I'm going to start first. Very thick crema. Cheers, everybody. Okay. very dark, chocolatey. What else? It's not bitter at all. Smooth. Actually, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. I mean, we only dialed in like twice. First was really fast, but second one, it's not too bad. And maybe I'm gonna make slight adjustment, but overall, this shot is really nice. Okay, so express was really good, but you know, since I'm already here, so let's make latte. Okay. All right, let's start. Let's get going here. So again, I'm gonna use a 18 gram. Like I said earlier, you know what? I'm not a big fan of the doser style. And then, I mean, let me know what you guys think. I mean, you guys like the doser style or you guys like the doser less? So I'm actually thinking about modifying this to doser less, but I need to figure out how to do it first. Okay. My beans ready. So last week or so, I've been trying a different method. Before I was using, so I put the shot first and I steamed the milk. And then one of my viewers told me that once you put the shot, after like a minute or so, I mean the quality of shot is going to decrease. I think you have right. I think you're right. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to get ready for the beans, and then I'm going to steam the milk, and then right after I'm going to pull the shot and put everything together. Anyway, I'm going to heat up the cup here. Steam. I've been using organic 2% milk. If you guys figured out how to steam the milk, please let me know in the comment. I haven't quite figured out yet. Okay, milk is done. So cup's ready. Now just waiting for the machines to get ready. So now I'm ready for the shot right away. I don't know if you can see, but the shot looks good. I guess I like to be a little slower, but overall it looks wonderful. Okay, You see that very heavy, thick crema there? Yep. Okay. Here we go. Do another latte art. It looks pretty good. Not bad. Okay, so it looks pretty good actually. So let's try. So espresso was pretty decent with a new grinder. And how about a latte? Wow. This is fantastic. So anyway, I'm really looking forward to compare built-in grinder versus Mazzer for next video. Anyway, see you guys next time.